Karma Yoga is a way of living in which you devote yourself selflessly towards doing something good for the society, and in that process, you explore something which is within you but that has not revealed itself before.
Vittalapuram, as you know, is one of the 20 villages that's been adopted by Great Lakes. We are doing our experiential leadership program. There's a Karma Yoga over there. This road, as you can see, leads directly to the village.
Karma Yoga is really the essence of being able to open our hearts and to see everyone as ourselves. It is a process of giving back to the society, a coexisting and co creating mutually beneficial world.
Your Lord Venkateswara temple is there, so he put a name as Vittilapuram. Sagadevan is head of Vittilapuram.
Okay. And do you have a hospital here or a clinic?
No, yeah, no, it is closed up. Yeah, it's there, but now it is not there.
No doctor comes and sits here, huh? Okay. And what about the school that we have here? Till what class?
School,
Yeah, there's
till up to 8th standard.
till 8th class there is. Okay. And after that, where do you people go and study?
After that, Kalpagam,
Okay.
Suradimangalam,
Okay.
near Nerbu.
Okay. Vignesh, can you also tell us about the kind of agriculture that happens here? What kind of crop you people grow?
Rice,
Okay.
groundnut,
Okay.
that's all.
That's the primary thing. I think there are a lot of welding shops also here. People are into welding.
Welding in Kalpagam.
Okay.
They are doing work in Kalpagam only.
Okay.
And there's somebody going out.
Okay. Okay. And what about the festivals that you people celebrate?
Temples festival.
Okay. How many people are there in this village?
700 people are there.
700. So we have all religion, Hindu, Muslim, Christians.
Only Hindu, Christian.
Muslims are not here.
It's nice village to live here. No problem.
Okay.
Nice people are there.
Yeah.
They can help whatever you want.
I'm Hindumati. I'm the spark for TNSF. I joined this because I'm more passionate about science, and TNSF helped me to come over my science talent, and students, those who are poor and those who can't express their talents, they have good opportunities to show their talents in TNSF.
Karma Yoga is about realizing our connections. It's linking the individual with the inter-individual, with the planet, the aspect of nature.
Water harvesting has been a big part of our agenda for the year. And not many of you would know this, but the area near our college was always known for its water bodies, natural water bodies. But nowadays there are hardly any, even backwater or rainwater. So what people have done is they've made some man-made structures so as to store these waters. But because of the human activities and all, even the level of the water bodies has reduced a lot. So what we have done is we've tried to raise awareness about this, and we've tried to see what is the current situation.
There are a number of initiatives that we have gone through in this 1 year in the village Vittalapuram. And to name a few, TNSF science workshops, tailoring sessions for women, and grooming session for kids, including English classes, and then water body conservation.
We usually come and pray daily, and here is just Vittala Perumal temple, which was built by Krishna Devaraya in ancient period. I think around before 500 years.
spending time with the Great Lake students, us. How has been the experience? Good? Nice?
It's really good.
Yeah? So
What do you
any...
expect from the next batch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm expecting from next batch to develop more and more about science.
To advise the next batch of Karma Yogis that stick with this Karma Yoga thing throughout the year, because in first term you won't get any feel of it. You'll feel like you've not achieved anything, but if you stick with it throughout the year, you'll get the kind of satisfaction that's unparalleled.
Karma Yoga is a path of service to God, a selfless service for no rewards. It is teaching the emancipated and downtrodden of how to fish, empowering them to become leaders, and in turn, raising ourselves as moral agents. It is moving towards the Brahman.